Using Snap Tutorial. Standalone Tool Adapter. This tutorial was created for External Tools module of Snap. Before integrating an external tool in Snap, you must know how to execute the tool from command line. The command line arguments must be remembered in order to integrate the tool in Snap. Integrating a tool in Snap means that Snap will create a new process to execute the tool after the user inputs the desired parameters in the graphic interface of Snap. If configured, the progress of the tool is visible in Snap. For this tutorial, the Orfeo Toolbox Band Math Processor was adapted in Snap. For further details, please check the Snap Help topic for the Standalone Tool Adapter. Open the Snap application, go to the menu Help, submenu Help Contents. In the Search tab of the Help window, type Standalone Tool Adapter. Next, go to the menu Tools, submenu Manage External Tools. The External Tools form lists all the currently adapters, and a list of actions for creating a new adapter, duplicating an existing adapter, editing, deleting and executing an adapter. For creating a new adapter, click on the button New. The form for creating a new adapter is opened. This form contains tabs for general information, configuration, preprocessing, parameters and variables. The first tab, Operator Descriptor, contains multiple fields. Alias is a short name for the adapter. Unique name is a name which registers the adapter in the toolbox. It must be unique among all adapters. Label is the user-friendly name. Version is the version number input by the user. Copyright, authors and description are optional. Menu location is the path in the Snap menu where the tool shortcut will be placed. The tool action can be placed in one of the existing menus, or create a new menu. In the System Variables tab, there are two types of variables. Simple variable, that only have one value, and platform-dependent variable. This variable allows setting values for 3 supported operating systems: Windows, Linux and Mac. For the example of Band Math Processor, multiple variables should be configured. First, add a platform-dependent variable. This variable is necessary when creating a single adapter for a tool that can be used on either operating system, but the extensions are different among the systems. BAT on Windows, and SH on Linux and Mac. Next, 2 more simple variables are configured: the path to the working directory, and the path to the tool executable. Shared variables are helpful for more adapters who use the same variable. Modifying the value in one of the adapters, it will be automatically reflected in the other adapters. On the tab, Operator Parameters, each parameter can have 5 properties: name, description, label, data type and default value. By default, the adapter have 3 parameters that cannot be deleted or edited. Source product represents a list of products chosen from the ones loaded in Snap at the execution time. Source product file is a file or a list of files from where the selected source products were loaded. Target product file is a file corresponding to the target product that will be loaded after the tool execution. In our case, we need to set its value. For adding a regular parameter, click on New Parameter and set its properties: name, description, label, data type, default value. More fields for this parameter can be edited by pressing the corresponding ellipsis. If the parameter is a template parameter, the editing form looks different and allows the user to choose the template file. For further details about template parameters, see the Help. Then, the Preprocessing tab contains 2 fields for executing an already defined tool with the same input parameters values as the current tool. Check Preprocessing tool and choose in the combo box the desired tool. If before processing Convert to is checked and a writer is selected, the product is written to disk as the second step of the adapter's pre-execution. In the presented case, the Band Math Processor knows how to handle only TIFF files, so it is necessary to write the input product by using the GeoTIFF writer before executing the processor. In the last tab, Configuration Parameters, Tool executable represents the location of the executable file. There are three ways to express the location. The first situation is when the executable is added to system path. In this case is enough to set the executable name and extension. The second way is to put the full path to the executable together with the name and extension. This can be done by using the file chooser functionality. In this tutorial, the third form is used to express the path by means of one of the defined system variables, together with the executable name and extension. Working directory is the place where the temporary files are saved. If the option, Tool produces the name of the output product, is selected, the user will not be able to select the name and the location of the output product. Still, Snap will be able to open the product. At the beginning to this tutorial, the tool was executed with the command line. In section command line template, each command line arguments will be written on a separate line, using the system variables if necessary. Tool output patterns includes two defined regular expression patterns for determining the progress of the tool and the error status. When all the parameters are set, click OK. Open an input product in Snap and run the tool. There are two ways to execute the tool: from external tools by selecting the tool and click Run, or from the configured location in the menu. In the first tab IO parameters, choose the source product as the product that was just opened. The processor creates a new output product, having the name derived from the original product, with processed added at the end. The name can be changed as desired. The output can be saved on disk by checking the option Save As and choosing a product writer from the list. In this case, the directory where the output will be saved should be chosen. Next, in Processing Parameters tab, select Display Execution Output, and for each input parameter change the value as desired. Then click Run. When the process is finished, open the output product and check the bands. In this case, the resulting band should correspond to the mathematical expression given by parameter. Thank you for watching.